a wonderful day up here in North Park. A lot of people are out. I'm about to go down to the lake and get some footage. By the way, YouTube channel DB fell in the lake. And, well, she got pushed in the lake by John from DB. I'm only kidding. Hello, this is Aaron here, and I already got caught vlogging. You see the DB in the background. People here having a picnic. I'm gonna hurry up, go up to the picnic, and steal a can of pop. You just see me. I just stole a can of pop. You've seen that whole scenario happen. And oh. Whoa. Whew. Oh yeah, if you're up here at North Park, be careful. Ticks. Ticks are dangerous.